In this video, we're going to have a quick look at emailing a channel in Teams. So Teams really does help you to remove the need for a lot of email, backwards and forwards, communicating with a large number of people, because you can do that within a team, in a channel, or even a chat. But sometimes information just gets sent through on email that's quite useful and you want to share. Rather than then continuing to reply and share in email, you can email that information into the channel so that everyone in there can see it. And it's really easy to do. You just need to find the email address of the channel. And how you do that is come into Teams and find the channel you're looking for. So I'm going to go for articles. And then if you just click on the three dots, then you'll see a few options down. You've got a get email address. So click there, and what you'll see is the email address pops up. Copy that, use the copy button or select it and use the Control and C, and then send your email onto that email and it will populate in your channel. Nice and easy to do. And then everyone who has access to that channel will be able to see the information, and you can have a conversation and continue that conversation within Teams, moving away from all of those excess emails that we've all had for years. Have a go, grab the email address of the channel and send your information in.